Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar and today we will cover some more questions from Companies Act which forms an important part of your technical syllabus. Friends, this technical syllabus is having 100 marks in phase 1 and it has 2/3 weightage of your phase 2 of SEBI grade A exam. And friends, you can find the entire technical syllabus of SEBI grade A exam chapter wise, topic wise on Finance MCQ website in MCQ question format. You can visit the website and practice the entire technical syllabus there. I have put the website link on the description box below. So let's begin and try to solve the MCQ questions along with me. The first question, which of the following is not a feature of private company? Option A, should have minimum paid up capital as prescribed. Option B, restrict the right to transfer shares. Option C, limit the number of members to 200. Option D, allows invitation to public to subscribe its securities. And last option, none of the above. So friends, here the correct answer is option D, which says allows invitation to public to subscribe its securities. So friends, remember that private company is closely held and invitation from public at large to subscribe its share capital is prohibited. Next question, doctrine of indoor management means. Option A, assumption that provision of articles have been observed by officers of the company. Option B, every party dealing with company is deemed to have read MOA and AOA of the company. Option C, act beyond memorandum is ultra virus in the company. Option D, all rules, bylaws have to be properly publicized by the management. And last option, none of the above. So friends, remember that doctrine of indoor management means an assumption that provision of articles have been observed by the officers of the company. The correct answer is option A. So friends, before moving ahead, let's discuss the question I asked in my previous video. I asked, who is regarded as the father of scientific management? The correct answer is, friends, Frederick W. Taylor is regarded as father of scientific management, known for his famous book on the principles of scientific management. Moving ahead, appointment to any office or place of profit in the company, subsidiary company or associate company at a monthly remuneration exceeding dash will be called related party transaction. Option A, rupees 10 lakhs. Option B, rupees 5 lakhs. Option C, rupees 2.5 lakhs. Option D, rupees 1 lakhs. And option E, none of the above. So friends, the correct answer here is option C, rupees 2.5 lakhs. Next question, features of XBRL does not include. Option A, electronic communication of business and financial data. Option B, cost saving. Option C, improved accuracy and reliability. Option D, charges license fee. Option E, developed by international non-profit making consortium. So friends, feature of XBRL will not include charges license fee because XBRL is a freely available and global framework for exchanging business information. Friends, the question for today's video is, what is the full form of XBRL? So those who know the answer, please comment in the comment box below. We will discuss in our tomorrow's video. Next question, in case of a company limited by guarantee, the liability of members is. Option A, unlimited. Option B, amount undertaken by members in memorandum. Option C, limited by their respective shares value. Option D, as per decision of liquidator. And last option, none of the above. So friends, in case of company limited by guarantee, the liability of member is the amount undertaken by the members in the memorandum. So the correct answer is option B. Next question, with reference to section 8 companies, the quorum of a board meeting shall be. Option A, 8 members. Option B, 25% of total strength. Option C, A or B, whichever less. Option D, A or B, whichever higher. And last option, none of the above. So friends, section 8 companies which are registered as non-profit organization, the quorum for their board meetings shall be 8 members or 25% of total strength, whichever is less. So the correct answer is option C. Next question, books of accounts defined under section 2 subsection 13 does not include record maintained in respect of. Option A, all sum of money received and expended by the company. Option B, all sales and purchase of goods and services by the company. Option C, the assets and liabilities of company. Option D, the items of cost as prescribed under section 148. And last, the list of proposed investments by the company. So friends, remember that books of accounts definition will not include option E, the list of proposed investments by the company. Next question, auditor's report shall not comment on. Option A, whether proper books of accounts have been maintained. Option B, whether financial statements comply with accounting standards. Option C, whether any director is disqualified from being appointed. Option D, whether adequate internal financial control system is in place. And last option, whether company is consistently declaring dividend or not. So friends, remember that auditor's report shall not comment on option E, whether company is consistently declaring dividend or not. Next question. Companies specified in tables to the company's cost record and audit amendment rules 2016 having overall turnover from its products and services of dash or more during the immediately preceding financial year shall have to maintain cost records. Option A, 15 crores, option B, rupees 35 crores, option C, rupees 50 crores, option D, rupees 75 crores, and last option, none of the above. So friends, here correct answer is option B, rupees 35 crores. Next question. Which of the following companies are not included in the limit of 20 statutory audits taken up by an auditor? Option A, private company with more than 100 crore paid up capital. Option B, 1% company. Option C, dormant company. Option D, public company. And last option, both B and C. So remember that 1% company and dormant company both will not be included in the limit of 20 statutory audits which can be taken by an auditor. So the correct answer is option E, both B and C. Friends, if you want to practice more such type of MCQ questions from your technical syllabus, I request you to kindly visit Finance MCQ website. It has entire SEBI graded technical syllabus in MCQ format. 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice. It has explanation for correct answer wherever required, plus 25 test series to practice from your technical syllabus. So friends, don't miss this golden opportunity and increase your selection chances significantly. Website link is given in the description box below. If you have any questions, please write in the comment box below. I will try to address them, and I will come up with new MCQ questions to practice on SEBI grade A exam. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.